Hi everyone, my name is Camila Urbina and today I'm going to present my research about the cancer mortality using the official data of World Health Organization. In this project, I analyzed the variable of percentage of cause-specific deaths out of the total of deaths to understand how cancer mortality has changed by country, over time, by gender, and age group. So let's go step by step through the main results. So first, I calculate the mean and the standard deviation of the variable of percentage of cause-specific deaths out of the total of deaths for each country. So to do this, I filtrate sex to all and age group to all in Excel. This allowed me to see the average percentage of deaths caused by cancer in each country and how much those values change over time. A high standard deviation means that the values vary more between years. So, next, I identify the three countries with the highest mean values, and also I added Ecuador, Spain, United States, and Mexico. So, the results, if you can see, the countries with the highest adverse of percentage was Costa Rica with 4.25%, then Costa Rica with 3.28%, and then South Korea with 3.28% too. And then I add the rest of the countries. So the country with the most dispersed percentage means that the greatest variation over the time is Japan, with the highest deviation of 3.89, which indicates that its values change more between these years, in contrast to United States, that is more like stable country. So then I realized this table to analyze the next, the time series of percentage of cause specific of death. I built like this time of series line chart for the seven selects country, the top three plus Ecuador, Spain, United States, and Mexico. Looking at this graph, we can see that percentage of death caused by cancer has generally decreased over time. Most countries shows a clear like downward trend, which suggests that improvements like in preventions, diagnostic, and treatment, especially Ecuador, that follows like the same downward path as other countries, staying like in the middle of the group. Not the highest, but not the lowest either. So then I do the same thing to males and females. So we focus only in Ecuador. I separate the data by sex, like male and female, and the results show that the males have like higher percentage of cancer deaths compared to female. Both lines go like down over the years, showing like the general improvement in mortality rate. This means that men are still more affected, but the difference is not too large. Then I do like this chart to show like the stomach cancer, looking at the numbers of the death between the 2001 and the 2023 group by the age. I built like these prepared tables in Excel. One of the count of the people die, like the total, then the percentage of people with the respect of total. Well, this is more like general. This is the annual percentage, and this is the percentage by age. Like with all this data, I answer these questions. So it says, which age group showed the highest propensity of deaths over time? And the age group that showed the highest propensity of cancer deaths over time is 80 years and older. B. Which year showed the highest number of death regulates of age group? And the age with the highest number of cancer deaths in Ecuador was the of the age group is the 2022, with a total of deaths of 383,050 deaths. Then the percentage of young people like you and like me, aged like 20 to 22, die from the cancer of 2022. In 2022, 0.39% of cancer deaths in Ecuador correspond to young people aged like 20 to 24. D. Consider the age 27, 2007, the percentage of people dead like in the age of 78 to 79 die from cancer. So in 2007, like 15.38% of the cancer of deaths in Ecuador correspond to people of this age. And the final question is, consider people aged between like 28 to 29, in which year was the highest percent of cancer of deaths record. And for the people of those ages, the highest percent of death in Ecuador, this is in Ecuador, was in 2010. So yeah, thank you for watching and to follow me step by step. I hope you enjoy this. It's like a very interesting way to learn. And yeah, thank you for all.